Are you looking for the best air fryers? In this video we will look at some of the best air fryers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus. The Instant Vortex Plus excels in every test, which lands it at the top of the pack as our favorite air fryer in the test suite. It fully delivers, cooking everything to near perfection, producing delectably crunchy onion rings and mouth-watering donuts, all with minimal oil. Perhaps most impressively, it achieves an excellent texture and slight crispness when making sweet potato fries, which is no easy feat. The Vortex Plus utilizes a smooth tray rather than a fry basket, making the cleaning process much easier. That simplicity extends to the user interface, as it allows for a pleasant user experience via the easy-to-navigate settings. This machine's temperature accuracy is near perfect, ensuring you achieve the same results time after time. True to the Instant brand, this device is multifunctional. It can dehydrate, reheat, and do some basic baking. Number 2. GoWISE USA Digital. The GoWISE USA Digital is a 5.8-quart air fryer that is perfect for all potato products. Sweet potato fries are notoriously difficult to cook in the air fryer, but the GoWISE did surprisingly well. Our sweet potatoes were crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Tater tots and onion rings offer a satisfying crunch, and donuts are fully cooked with a golden brown exterior. The temperature reading is very accurate for such a budget-friendly air fryer. The range reaches 400 degrees, which is plenty high for most recipes, although some air fryers can surpass this temperature. The interface is not super straightforward, and the buttons don't always register on the first touch. This can be a little frustrating but does not significantly lower the overall user experience. The GoWISE is very easy to wipe down, and both the basket and drawer are dishwasher safe. However, when you separate the two pieces, the drawer is left without a handle, so you have to wait until it cools completely before cleaning it. Our biggest gripe with the GoWISE Digital is the way it cooks meat. Unfortunately, it leaves chicken chewy and tough. That said, if your plan is mostly to cook potatoes or doughy foods, the GoWISE is a great budget-friendly option. Number 3. Foodi Digital Oven. Multifunctionality is quickly becoming the name of the game for countertop kitchen appliances, and the Foodi Digital Oven is currently at the forefront of that trend. It effectively combines the abilities of an air fryer, a toaster oven, and a dehydrator into a single device that can flip upright when not in use, barely taking up any counter space. In terms of cooking functionality per square inch of counter storage space, it may just be one of the top kitchen appliances in the world. Our tests prove that it can back up all these flashy specs with real performance. We are able to make near-perfect onion rings and delicious donuts, and can also get a nice crispy skin on chicken. It performs similarly well in our testing as a toaster oven and dehydrator. Number 4. Instant Vortex Plus XL. The Instant Vortex Plus XL comes with two separate baskets that can be operated completely independently from one another. The temperature of one does not affect the other, and their timers can be synced up to complete the cooking at the same time. The viewing windows and interior lights make it easy to keep an eye on your meal's progress, and the slightly angled interface is easy to read. The interface rocks a dial-digital combination and is generally very intuitive. While its cooking performance varies, the Vortex Plus XL never fails to produce a perfectly cooked chicken breast. The temperature is accurate, but for some reason, the Vortex Plus XL struggles with cooking a crispy potato. Whether you are working with sweet potato fries or tater tots, the evenness and texture are just off. The same can be said for onion rings. None of these food items are inedible, but they don't completely satiate the craving for crunchy, crispy fried food.